In this report, I'll answer the question, what is the best online business for retirees? My name is Dan and I'm an American. I'm 60 years old. I'm too young to collect Social Security, so I need to keep working. But I didn't want to work for anyone else. So I started an online business a few years ago. That business made $6,500 last month. I'm going to show you screenshots of the business and the money I made. But first I want to tell you why I started an online business. I left the USA in 2007 and I've traveled all over the world during the last 14 years. I'll show you my travel photos as I talk. I don't buy round-trip tickets. I keep moving forward. I've lived in or visited 67 different countries so far. The first 3 years living outside the US, I had a regular job outside the US. I loved that regular job at first, but then I started getting bored. I wanted something more. I read a book called The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. That book taught me that I could start an online business and travel all over the world. The book opened my eyes. I didn't have to wait until retirement age to live my dreams. You see, I already knew how to live on very little money all over the world, so I just needed the online business to make enough money to support my travel dreams. I spent the next 6 years doing everything wrong trying to start a business. I'm going to tell you what is the best online business for retirees in my opinion, but first I want to warn you. I want to tell you everything I did wrong so you don't have to waste your money on expensive courses and waste a lot of time like I did. Don't take expensive online training courses. I spent more than $7,000 taking online courses. None of them turned out to be what I needed to create my perfect online business for retirees. The money lost wasn't the biggest problem for me. The bigger problem was the time I lost doing everything the courses taught me to do. The money wasn't completely wasted though. I learned what doesn't work for me. So I'm going to spend 1 minute on things you should not do before telling you what worked for me. First, physical products. First I tried the physical products business. I took a super expensive course, I don't remember, it was like around $4,000, that taught me how to sell physical products online. I imported products from China and I sold them online. Technically, I was successful. I listed my products on Amazon like the course teaches. I followed the steps in the course, and then I was successful. It was almost time to reorder another 1,000 units from China, but then I learned that Amazon was changing their warehousing policy. Amazon would limit how many units I could inventory in their warehouses. I might have to keep products in my garage to avoid paying warehousing fees to Amazon. That was a big problem for me. I liked traveling. I didn't want to fly home to the USA every few months to ship products to Amazon, and I didn't want to hire employees or a warehouse. That didn't make sense for me. Then I started Googling other problems that physical product sellers have with Amazon. I read all sorts of stories about how Amazon has made changes over the years that upset their physical product sellers. I didn't want to be in business with them anymore. It wasn't a good fit. Next up, I tried affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you review someone else's products or service and you get a commission if people read the review and click and buy the product. The problem is you need a large number of people reading your review and buying the products before you can make enough sales. I took another expensive course. It was around $1,000. I followed what the course taught. I put up a funnel and advertised the funnel. Nothing. It was a dud. The writing was on the wall, but I didn't give up so easily. I spent a bunch more money in advertising on Facebook and even took some Facebook advertising courses, but never made a single dollar. You see, when your funnel or your web page or your YouTube channel is new, nobody is reading it. Nobody's watching it. You need what Google calls authority in the subject matter domain before you're awarded top positions on the Google search web page. So your offer doesn't come up in searches. So affiliate marketers spend hundreds of dollars even thousands of dollars to get their reviews in front of the relevant audience. This is one of the most complicated businesses on the internet. I didn't want to spend thousands of dollars in advertising to win in this business. And I didn't have the authority that Google wanted to rank my pages. So I gave up. I didn't want to learn a complicated business requiring a high investment while I was nearing retirement age. So what is the best online business for retirees? The online business I'm going to show you is the information business. Here's why it's best for retirees. Number one, there's no inventory. You don't need to import anything from China and ship it to Amazon. You don't need a shipping and receiving department, no returns, no repairs, or replacement of physical products. Number two, there's no delivery costs. When the customer buys, they just download the information you're selling, such as an ebook or newsletter, or they watch videos. Number three, there's no advertising costs. You just post web pages and videos online, and people discover you organically in their Google searches. In fact, if your YouTube videos get enough views, YouTube will start paying you each month on top of your information business. Number four, no employees, no payroll, no hours, no training employees, no turnover. You are the only person in the business. Number five, no office expenses, no rent, no mail, correspondence, no phones. Just respond with your customers by email. Number six, no hours. Just work when you want to. You have to immediately respond to customer service requests, but you can create content at your own pace. Number seven, low startup costs. You can get the business started with almost no money. You just start posting YouTube videos in your information niche. Once your YouTube starts paying you for views, you can use that income to pay for the third-party software we teach how to set up in the course. Number eight, no geographical limitations or boundaries. You're free to roam the world as you grow the business. You do not need to show up at certain times and places. Number nine, you get to share your favorite hobby. The information business can be about anything, but in the Hobby Income course, I suggest you share information about your favorite hobby. Why? Because you already love doing your hobby, so it'll be more fun for you to share that enthusiasm you have for that subject matter. But you could also pick any subject you know more about than most people. Okay, number 10, no expensive courses. New or existing paid members of my information business for life have access to my course as a bonus at no extra charge. When membership prices change in the future, existing members on that day never pay the higher price changes. Okay, now, how I made $6,500 with my hobby business last month. Here we go with the screenshots. Okay, here's my hobby business. I love to travel the world. So what I do, it's my favorite hobby, is I teach people how to travel the world. I have a YouTube channel called Vagabond Awake, and it has a bunch of videos on it. I put up a few videos per week. I teach people the best places in the world to retire cheap in paradise, and to retire early, or to slow travel the world. That's my niche. And so they'll browse through here and pick one. Let's say they pick this video here. This one says $250 apartment tour in Antigua, Guatemala. This is the information I was talking about. I provide information to people. And so they would come and they'd watch this video. Apartments, the first one is $250 a month. The last one's about... And they would hear me tell them how much apartments cost. And I'll do a tour. This video is actually a tour. You can go watch it if you want. And that's one part of the business. I provide video information. Those videos, after a while, you'll start to get subscribers, and you'll start to get a lot of views. Like this one has 3,400 views. At first, you'll be getting almost no views. It takes time to get authority, but eventually you'll start getting views and subscribers. But the great thing about this business is you don't need a crazy number of subscribers, because you're not going to rely only on YouTube income. But let's look at some YouTube income. I'll show you in a minute how slow this starts, but here's the last 4 or 5 months of income I got from YouTube for the videos I'm posting. May, the one that just ended, 2,700 I made. YouTube paid me for people watching my videos. And then each month you can see May, March, February, January. Over here you have your top earning videos. My top earning video in May was top 15 places in the entire world to retire cheap. And that made me $963. So that's one source of income. This is how slow it starts, though. It's not a get-rich-quick business. No money, 2018. I made all the way back to 2018, 0 November. Let's see, when did I finally make money? Was it February? So I made $11 in February of 2019. So that's 2 years ago. I was making $11 a month. By a few months, almost a year later, I was up to 423, and then in August of 2020, which is almost a year ago, I was up to 1,700, and in May, the month that just ended, I'll be making $2,717. Now that's just from YouTube. Now I told you that this is an information business, and so let's look here and see what I mean by that. Every time I show you a video, I always say, click the link in the notes below the YouTube video. Click the link in the notes below the YouTube video. What I'm doing is driving you to a web page. So if you click this link here, you're going to go to a web page that it has all the information about this apartment tour. If you click this one, it's my Retire Cheap reports. If you click this one, you get a free ebook. If you click this one, you learn how to make money online, which is the course I'm telling you about right now. So let's see what happens if you want the free ebook. You'll click this, and this web page will pop up. Now this is my web page. It's not on YouTube, but this is where you would go to put in your email and where you want the free ebook sent to, and you'd sign up for that. Okay. In addition to that, when you got the ebook, you'd get a link to a membership to see if you wanted to join, and that's a web page on my Vagabond Buddha webpage that will tell you all about the business information or the hobby information I have, and it tells you about why I'm an expert in this area, and there's all kinds of information here about why I'm the guy and all the reports you can get and everything, bonus reports. I'll let you watch that at your own leisure, and then testimonials from customers, and then at the bottom there's a buy button. There's a couple buy buttons. More testimonies. Now, the information business I will teach you if you decide to do this. It's just a course. It's already up online. You just go watch it and just do what I did, and that teaches you how to do everything I'm showing you. Okay, so once you oh, by the way, I should show you to join membership for life. Those are your two choices to join. Once you join, you have access to all of my Retire Cheap reports in all the countries that I've been to. These are on-the-ground reports where I've been and telling you about restaurants, rental costs, cost of living for all of these countries. The ones in red are more recent updates, things I've updated lately. But what this is it's a membership. You get access to all this content. Anyway, each of these countries, all of my favorite places, and these are not from afar. These are me on the ground with video, you watching me walk the ground in these countries, all of these reports. So you can go look at this, come to the Vagabond Buddha and read these. I'm not going to take you through all of it right now. But okay, so what happens if you're a member and you click any of the books on this? But if you click a book, then you'll get a web page that allows you to download it because you're a member now. So, for example, this is Puerto Morelos, Mexico, and you just click the download button here once you're a member. I'm a lifetime member, and so I can do as many as I want per month, and I can download. So, you can download the reports. Now, I keep talking about a course. Any of the web pages that you come to will have a menu selection across the top here. Here's where the free ebook is. Here's where the Retire Cheap reports are listed. Here's where you join the membership. This is the travel blog, and here is the courses, the hobby income course. If you click that link, boom, then you'll come to the course where I posted the course. Now the course is, since I'm logged in as a member, I can now that I'm a member, I can go in and take all 9 of these lessons. The 9 lessons, they teach you the overview of the business, how to pick your hobby. Now, I'm in the travel business, but the kinds of niches that this information business works for is almost unlimited. The reason I tell you to use your hobby is because that's something you're not going to get tired of. It's something you enjoy. Maybe you're into muscle cars or history. Maybe you sing. There's something you love about your life that you can teach other people. There's something you know about. And even if you don't want to teach your hobby, you probably know something from your working years that people are always trying to find answers to know how to do. And that's what your information business would be. Anyway, I show you how to do all that in the course. You start telling your story. That means making videos. Then you'll have an ebook giveaway. I teach you how to do the software for that, how to make content out of your existing videos and web pages to make the books, membership enrollment web page, and then how to make your membership catalog, create your video sales letter, which is the one that I showed you that tells you all the benefits of joining, and then how to interview, collaborate, and interact with your audience. This is the whole business right here, and that's included, as it says here, as a bonus for our existing members. So how much more? I showed you $2,700 that YouTube's paying me. Now let's look how slow the hobby income course information ebooks is slow. It grows. Okay, 109 the first month I put my membership up. I think that was in doesn't say the month. Let's see, July. But by July it was only $35 a month. That's 2019. A few months later it was $561 in September 2019. And let's get rid of this. In March, so April, it would have been up to $1,800 of 2020. That's about a year ago. And then let's see where I am today. Today I'm at, in May, $3,822. And so how did I make the $6,500 a month? If you add the $2,717 YouTube and the $3,822 that I made on selling memberships, last month I made $6,539. Now this is a get rich slow or never business, meaning the YouTube channel has to get views and you have to do a lot of work to put the software in place, and you have to create content. So it's a lot of work. But the good thing is, if this is an area that you know something about, like I know about traveling because I left the USA in 2007, and it's my favorite hobby. Let's say you were into whatever, war history, and you know a lot about it because you read about it. You know about various wars around the world and who won them. And there are geeks out there that want to know about war history or coin collecting or macrame. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. There's people that are into muscle cars. You just go online and start searching on things, see if you get some ideas. But the course is free if you join as a member. And I've been doing this, as you can see, for a few years, and it's just really started to take off in the last few months. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. This is Dan of Vagabond Awake, the YouTube channel for Vagabond Buddha. The world is your home. What time will you be home for dinner?